drinking coffee, stare me down across the table while I look outside. So many things I'd say if only I were able, but I just keep quiet, count the cars that pass by. You got opinions, man, we're all entitled to them, but I'm never asked. So let me thank you for your time and try not to waste any more of mine. Get out of here fast. I'll hate to break it to you, babe, but I'm not drowning. There's no one here to save. Who cares if you disagree? You're not me. Who made you king of anything? So you dare tell me who to be? Who died and made you king of anything? Oh, you sound so innocent, so full of good intent, swaying no best. Would you expect me to jump up on board with you and head off into your delusional senses? I'm not the one who's lost with no direction, no, but you never see. 'Cause you're so busy making laps with my name and then in all caps. You've got the talking down, just not the listening. Who cares if you disagree? You're not me. You made you king or anything. So you dare tell me who to be? Who died and made you king of anything? All my life I've tried to make everybody happy. Well, I just hurt and hide, waiting for someone to tell me it's my turn to decide. Who cares if you disagree? You made you king or anything. You dare tell me who to be? You made me king or anything. So who cares if you disagree? You're not me. You made you king of anything. So you dare tell me who to be? Who died and made you king of anything? Let me hold your crown, girl.